We have it each and every application, right? Now I'm going on into the first file top. In our Power BI top in the sense file, home, insert, modeling, view, optimize, L, external tools. These all options is belongs to for we need to call say for top. After what?
Sir, your voice is not clear. Same like yesterday.
My voice is not clear.
Yes, sir. Same like
Yes,
yesterday.
sir.
I will rejoin then. Okay. So we have four ways here: top, bottom. For I'm coming on into the bottom. You can able to see for page one, right? You are all able to see for page one
Yes, sir.
through
Sir,
in
yes,
my
sir.
mouse.
Yes, sir.
Here, page one in the sense, it's like an preparing ourselves. Whenever we click on plus button, then automatically new page it will come. Means you are creating another one more new page for creating on visual purpose. Got it? This for bottom. Top we have it, home, insert, modeling, this all belongs to ribbons. Bottom is page one, page two, page three. Left side we can able to see for views. Views in the sense in Power BI report we have three views. In most
Excuse me,
of the
sir.
yes, please
Sir,
tell me.
voice is not clear, sir.
Actually, I am getting clear voice, to be frank.
Voice is clear, sir.
Okay, I'm continuing. This is very important question in Power BI. Most of the interviews, 90% of the interviews, they will ask, what is the views in Power BI? If you want, you can please note down what is the views in Power BI. Views in the sense, as a human being, whatever we are seeing, that is the view of the human being, right? Like that, similarly, in Power BI also we can able to see three. One is report view. Report view in the sense default at the time of opening on Power BI desktop for creating on visualizations purpose. Going on second one, table view. It's like an Excel file. Okay, whatever data you are fetching, you can able to see here Excel related stuff. This is the empty application, new one. That's the reason you can't able to view anything here. Once I can able to export the data, then you can able to see here. Similarly, Excel only. No more brainstorm related stuff. Similarly, Excel, small add-ons we have it. That's it. That's the beautifulness of Power BI. Going on into the third view, model view. In our Excel, we can't able to see model view. But in Power BI, I can able to see model view. What is the beautifulness of model view in the sense? How many tables we have it, I can able to build on relationship for the sake of building on associative property. We are said right, Power BI is an associative property, not required creating on each and every time queries, not required to modify queries, just for clicks it will work. How it will happen? Everything in backend based upon the relationships. Those relationships purpose here creating on link between table to table. At the time of going to reality, we'll get on more hands-on experience. Okay. What is the three views? One, report view. Second one, table view. Third one, model view. What is report view? Creating on visualization purpose. We need to call visualizations. For as a human, for childish, we need to call for diagrams. For coming on into the professionality in Power BI, we need to call each and every diagram converted language in proficiency visualization. You are with me, right? Like that, visualizations, creating purpose, report view, existing data, existing whatever data we can able to view in under table view, and the one more model view. In this model view, we can able to see multiple of tables, how the relationship building. Anyone can repeat, please? How many views we have it in Power BI? Please, yeah, for at the time of listening on in my class, please keep on notes, pen, mandatory. Or else whatever best way you need to capture important things, you need to maintain for remembering important points purpose. I am pretty sure each and every technology we have around 30 to 40 interview questions only we have it. For cracking on basic to minimum advanced level interview, cracking purpose, we have 30 to 40 questions only we have it. Whenever what a human being, any human being can able to complete those 30 to 40 relevant questions, then they can able to throw the interview. Because they can able to say minimum more than 70% of answers. This is the first answer, first question. What is Power BI views? Yes, now please repeat it. What is the views we have it in Power BI? Okay, okay, okay. Now, and the one more question, explain me what is a model view? What is a model view? You are right, 80%. Just small correction only. Okay. In model view, we can able to see tables. Okay, that is the first point, 100% right. Just small correction for second point. For creating on relationship between table to table in under model view. That's it, more than fine. Okay. Creating on relationship between table to table in under model view. Got it? Now, and the one more person, please tell me what is table view.
It's a basic Excel version with some add-ons.
You can speak little bit loud.
It contains basic Excel version but with little add-ons.
And that is our understanding purpose. I said that is the first point. Second point is answer. Table view in the sense we can able to see the tables. Whatever we have fetched inside of Power BI, we can able to see the tables in under table view. Straightforward. Got it?
Okay, sir.
What is the report view?
Create visualization purpose.
Yes, creating on visualizations report view. Existing data viewable purpose in under table view. Existing multiple of tables building on relationship purpose, we need to see model view. Now we are good. Left side we are good. Now I am going to right side. What is this? Visualizations, data, and all those stuff. Each and every tool, they can provide some pre-built stuff. Here in Power BI, they are providing this all belongs to pre-built visualizations. What we have to call pre-built visualizations. Now, coming on into the here data, in the sense, whatever Excel files we have it, we can able to see under data. Got it right? That's the reason you can able to see these visualizations. I can able to see only for report view only. Now I'm going on into the table view. I'm not able to see any visualizations, right? Here and the one more tab. That's the cause in report view only I can able to build visualizations. Now coming on into the another one more step, we are moving on inside. At the time of going on into the home ribbon, we need to call in Power BI ribbon. Okay, in under home ribbon, in under view ribbon, in the sense I need to click on view. I said go to insert ribbon, then I need to go for insert ribbon. Nothing is there. Whatever I am saying, just using on those instructions, then you need to click on here. That's it. Okay, I am planning to go to for home ribbon. Yes, I went on home ribbon. Each and everywhere we have index, right? What is the use of index? More understanding inside of the concepts. Based upon the index we can recognize something, right? In our books everywhere like that only, right? Through index it is an hint for whatever we have inside of the story. Now here home ribbon also you can able to see 4 parallel lines, right? These parallel lines, it was slicing the data, whatever, it's like and created already buckets for better understandable purpose for end user. Where belongs to as a end users, because we are developers in this application, for easily understand purpose, they already slice it. What are those buckets we need to learn, that's it. From coming on into the here, second one already highlighted one data bucket. In this particular data, under this all belongs to data. In SQL, we went on, right? Data. In the data, fetching on in under this data. Here, you can able to write get data, Excel workbook, and all those stuff. For straightforward, this is the get data. In this get data, at the time of clicking on here, you need to go on more than 40 plus connections we have it. Let's see, coming on into the reality, Power BI is one of the application. In this Power BI application, we need to fetch the data, right? Fetch the data in the sense, somewhere we have it stored in historical data. That historical data, I need to fetch it. After that only I can able to see all these tables and all the stuff, right? For that fetching purpose, we have 40 plus trusted, verified by Microsoft. They are provided to ours all these connections. Now, best practice purpose, Excel workbook, CSV file, we are using in our R&D basic level. Okay. Now, going on into the choose on Excel workbook, click on connect. Got it right up to here? How to I can able to fetch the data? Go to get data, but through Excel book also I can able to do it, but that is not for best practice. Go to get data. After getting on more hands-on experience, then choose for shortcuts. Starting, no more shortcuts. Okay, go to get data, go to more, click on Excel workbook, and then connect. I am providing to you guys mass sorting data. Right? This Excel file I am choosing and clicking on open. Up to here, you are with me only, right? Where just for exporting the data, that's it. Now let's see, this is very important. After exporting the data, like this navigate 100% it will come. Each and every database connection. Excel is one of the database for ours, right? Let's see, Excel is one of the Excel file planning to fetch. In this Excel file, they are asking to me, whatever sheets, each and every Excel, we have sheet 1, sheet 2, all the stuff, right? We need to select which sheet we need it. After choosing on those particular sheet, then you can able to see here data. Let's see, I am unselect this one. Okay, after select only here replicating, load, transform data, cancel. Now I need to load this one. Here two things. Load in the sense just for data it will load, that's it. But as a best developer, experienced person, don't go directly load button. We need to verify step by step. Whatever we are doing, we need to verify ourselves. We need to recognize ourselves. At the time only, so many errors, it will come under control. That's the cause I'm going on click on under transform data, not for direct load. Load in the sense just it will load the data. Before load the data, I need to click on transform data. Let's see at the clicking on transform data, I hope that it was replicating in the one more Excel file. You can able to see now, right? Before itself, I can able to see only for Power BI desktop only. Starting itself also I am shown to you, right? This is for our Power BI desktop application app. Now, after clicking on transform data, I can able to see another one more. That is Power Query Editor. What is that? What is another one more we can able to see now? Please repeat
Power
it name.
Query Editor.
Power Query Editor. This is the one. This whole 1 week we are practicing on in under Power Query Editor only. Okay. Now I need to go for Power Query Editor. You can please mute each and everyone yourself. In Power Query Editor, same thing you need to see. For top, home ribbon, transform ribbon, add column, view, tools, help. But we are not having any few more ribbons, right? Whatever ribbons, we can use it here. That is top. Bottom is not applicable here. But we have right and left. Okay. Right side, we have it, apply steps and properties and all those stuff. Coming on into the left side, we have queries. We need to call inquiries. In SQL also, you need to call queries only, right? For here also, we need to call each and every one Excel sheet is belongs to one query only. Okay. Like that, how many we have it, we can able to see. Now, coming on reality, data types. What are the data types in SQL or MySQL? Whatever you remember, just repeat it. That's it, please. Anyone?
Types.
Mm-hmm.
Integer, float,
INT, varchar, char.
character, varchar.
Varchar, character, char.
Those all belongs to Power BI data types, right? Why we are calling Power BI, not only for Power BI, why we are calling on data types? As a human being, we are keeping on names, right? Male, female. In those also under categories, subcategories like child, adult, old age, teenage, like that we are keeping on label for the sake of based upon their age factor. Like that, whatever data we are fetching, each and every data, we need to keep on some label, sub-label that is for data type. Based upon the data type only, we can able to create on measure. That's it, right? For best example, in test data type, we can able to use for aggregate function apart from the count. Min, max, sum, multiplication, division, nothing, right? We can't able to use on aggregated functions in under test data type. You are with me? You can understand, right? This is very important. At the time of coming on into the numeric, numeric in the sense 1, 2, 3 numbers, then you can able to use aggregate functions, sum, min, max, all those stuff. Same thing here. I am cross checking first of all data types. As a best developer, best practice human, starting itself loading the data, we need to go for first step transform data. Second step, we need to check on data types. For checking on data types, you can able to see here, right? For best example, you need to choose for this one. You can able to see this one, right? 1 to 3 corner. Each and every field, you can able to see this column. Corner you can able to see, right? Coming on it is the first one. Here I can able to see 1 to 3. I'm clicking on that one. Let's see, this all data types, right? Decimal number, fixed decimal number, whole number, percentage, date, date time, time, duration, test, binary. This all belongs to data types only, right? In Excel also we can able to find all those stuff. You are with me?
Yes, sir.
Just for starting introduction only, I am going little bit slow. Once introduction part it will completed, I will go little bit fast because we have very less time. We need to learn more things. Okay, basics is more important. We need to keep very strong basics. It's like a pillar for ours. For this is belongs to for data types. 1 to 3. Where is 1 to 3? Here I can able to see that one whole number. Okay, like that, whatever I'm getting on data, I can able to choose here. It's like an Excel file itself only. It's Excel file itself only. You can able to see data type. Whatever inside of data you can able to found here. For here I can able to see for statement related stuff. Test title in the sense ABC only, right? Test ABC in the sense test. Wherein good in this two. Like that, I need to minimum cross check requirement for each and every data type. Now, and the one more data type. This all belongs to for dates. In this particular dates, you can able to see like this calendar symbol. Got it? Like these data types, you need to choose first of all. It's everything how perfectly having or not. Now, starting onwards, I am working under process only. You guys also need to follow with me. At the time only we can recognize for hands-on real-time practice. Now you can understand what are the data types, how to viewable. Coming on into the home ribbon. In home ribbon also we have parallel lines. This one new query, data sources, parameters, query, manage columns, reduce rows, sort, transform, combine. New query in the sense getting on new data source we can use for new query. You can able to see right in under desktop application app also like this. Click on there, we need to call for get data. You remember at the time of clicking on get data in under desktop. In desktop you can able to see right in under data get data. Right? Same data in under get data in under desktop we need to call. Same thing I need to go on Power Query editor. We have to call query. Language it was slightly it was vary. Okay, new query under new source. That is human understandable language. This is little bit coding related stuff. It was included now. Like this, we can fetch new data source also from here. Okay, going on into the recent sources. What are the recently were used on sources in my local desktop application app? This is all coming on here. These all research sources I am using. Okay. Get enter data without dependency on including any external files. Sometimes you can yourself you have to create inside of data. Then I can able to use this one enter data whatever I need it. Serial number, status. I need serial number status 1 in under open, status 2 close. Means for end user they are asking to me each and every time in each and every visual they need to see starting of the data open only. At the time we need to create like this. Means that is based upon the going on in front classes we can understand clearly. Just for navigation part I am explaining here. Status. Order table.
Sir, your
Okay,
voice
whatever
is
name you
not
want.
clear, sir.
Whatever field name you are providing on here, that is belongs to table name.
Your voice is not audible clearly.
Everyone facing. I can able to see everything here. Okay, just give me 2 minutes of time. So like this, I can able to create on without having dependency in any other data source. Instead of the Power BI, I can able to create on like this data. Up to now you are clear, right? This all belongs to under new query only.
Sir, again, same issue, sir.
No, what?
Voice is not clear.
Just I will use my earphones. What about now?
Not clear, sir.
One to 10 Mbps speed net. Same internet I am using all my works. Or else still facing same issue.
No, it's good.
Now it's good.
I'm sharing back. Now in Power Edit query we can understand in under new query this particular new query whatever we have it 3 different ways for fetching data we are found and understand clearly. Moving on into the little bit depth, going on for data sources. For at the time of using on SQL or else whatever sources were used in under new sources, here it was implementing. It was showing on for hours. How in the sense? For best example, status order table. This is one query in my language. Mass sorting data set. This is another one more query. Right? This mass sorting data set I'm fetching from the outside of the Power BI application.
Hi, brother.
Sir, again
Sorry
your
for disturbing
sir,
you
again
again.
your voice is not visible, sir.
While you are sharing and explaining, yeah, it is like again same voice fluctuation and all.
We are good. Data sources in the sense whatever under new query for fetching on outside of the data used those particular links coming under data source settings only. I am used only for one Excel sheet only. That's the reason it was showing on only for one. Okay. Source order table not reflecting here because it is created internal itself. Got it? Why status order table is not here? Because we have created internal itself. Let's see anyone at the time of going on into the real-time projects, you have multiple of tables here. Okay, multiple of tables in the sense in professionally in Power BI we need to have call for queries. They will ask you how many data sources were used all these existing tables. Then blindly you need to go for data source settings. Okay, here how many data sources you can able to found, you can answer it to them. For here were used all these listed data sources. Got it? How to find how many data sources we have it in our report? You are with me, right? You can able to
Yes,
listen.
yes. Yes, yes.
Like this way straightforward you can able to answer your TL, your co-colleague, how many data sources used. For here itself you can able to provide answer, then they can also impress it. Now I will go a little bit depth here. Data source settings. Okay, you can able to see here, right? Global permission, data sources in current file. Two things we have it, right? For in SQL queries and all those things, we have it or have entity credentials and whitelist. We need to call for whitelist. Okay, or have whitelist. They can able to view the data and all those stuff, right? Then you need to provide on others also those data set viewable purpose. We need to provide on global permissions. Here I am not using any my entity credentials. Entity in the sense my company credentials. At the time of using on company credentials, here and the one more pop-up it will come. Okay, in that time you need to click on and provide all something you have it. At the time, for other one more person also can able to view or have access. Like that, we can able to provide on global permissions also. They will ask what is the use of global permissions. For user friendly access to the other developer also we are providing global permissions. But they also mandatory for whitelist. Yes, they can also need mandatory for whitelist before observing the whatever we have inside the data. Got it right? Now I am closing on this one, data source settings. Going on manage parameters. Manage parameters is completely advanced level topic. I will provide you more information. Manage level parameters coming on in our after 4 to 5 assessments. Okay. All projects were not using on mandatory, but some projects were using those stuff. Now, and the one more is query. Now, here we saw query. Here also I can able to see query. Here also I can able to see query. 3 queries. Query settings. Here query, bucket, in under home ribbon, in under home ribbon only. Okay. Here also I can able to see query. What is the query? Whatever 2 lines or 1 line statement, select star from the table. Whatever you are writing in SQL, that all belongs to query only. Maybe 10 lines of code, 1 line of code, whatever it may be. Same thing replicating in Power BI. In under query, you can able to find all those stuff. Starting refresh preview, refresh instance, 2 types of refreshes we have it, refresh preview or refresh all. Whenever you are clicking on refresh all, then overall data set, we need to call each and everything data set only. Okay. Each and every data set, it will refresh at the time of clicking on refresh all. Refresh preview in the sense only for particular data set. Refreshing purpose, we need to choose for refresh preview. I will tell you for this is very important one for ours, because at the time of data was loading in production level, then it will increase into the 1 GB, more than 1 GB, like the type of data, right? Only loading the application purpose only, it will take more than 40 minutes. Sometimes of the based upon the data set, it will take on more and more time. In SQL, we can use for limit, right? Select star from table name, limit 5. Then it will showcase only for up to the 5 rows only, right? For hours. You all remember, na? For how the limit it will work there. Without loading overall the table, only for fetching on few records itself, we need to use for limit, right? Like that, in Power BI also, at the time of clicking on refresh preview, only the data set, it will refresh, that's it. We're not doing any reset or else reboot, all those stuff we are not using, just for refreshing, that's it. Okay. Now going on here, this is backbone for our Power BI. We need to call this is backbone for our Power BI. What we have it? Properties, advanced editor, manage. In under manage, delete duplicate reference. Okay. Coming on properties or advanced properties. What is this properties and advanced properties? Now, before starting on query, what I am highlighted in this particular overall sheet, you can able to see queries 3 places. One is left side queries, another one is right side queries, another one is top query here. Whenever clicking on advanced editor, now let's see, this all belongs to queries. Now you can able to see here, right? Change type, ending. Okay. Before in condition also you can able to see same type only. It's mandatory. They need to same. After like this, it is called in Power BI in M query language. What is the language we are using in Power BI? M query language. Please repeat it. What are the language we are using in Power BI? It is important question and interview.
M
Query
query
language.
language.
This is question number 2. Okay. M query language we are using in Power BI. How the M query language is equal to this SQL, then it is user friendly also. How it is user friendly? For doing on something for R&D, then we can understand that is user friendly or not. First of all, this is the M query language you need to keep on our brains. Okay, just I'm clicking on cancel. Now going on inside on our internal depth. Now I need to implement one transformation, one modification. One modification is converting on into the provisionality in Power BI transformation. One transformation I'm planning to implement here. For best example, I have so many null values in under location. Okay.
Sorry, brother. Again, it
You
is
are
same
right.
like only.
Again, it is same.
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir. Voice is not clear again.
Up to 5 seconds back, it is perfect. After that only it started.
Now you can audible. Point this bandwidth. Okay. Now we are in where we are in under advanced editor. Okay. In under advanced editor, that is for belongs to mQuery language. I am planning to do mQuery language one step. One step in the sense I need to add. What is that one in the sense? In under location, I found multiple of null values. I need to remove nulls. It's very simple in Power BI. Just down arrow and click null. That's it. You are unclicked, right? Null. Then click on OK. Now you found right in apply steps before unclicking that null. It is up to the change type. Now added one more step. You are with me? Just we are added one more step. This is for gear symbol. This gear symbol always provide for words what we have done. I am done on basic level. Does not equal null. In where? In under location row. In under location does not equal to null. I am created. But same thing coming on into the MySQL, we need to write code, right? For table name and field name and where not equal to null, all those stuff. Here, just I am clicking on one click. Now, I'm going on into the advanced editor. Let's see here. Before it is changed to type, now it is converted into the filtered rows. Now you got it right. Whatever steps we are applying here, same steps replicating in under storing on mQuery language. Means whatever we are doing, everything it is recording in under query language only. But user-friendly purpose, it was able to see in under apply steps also. Now I'm doing on already now started in mQuery language. I'm planning to delete filtered rows. Okay. Whatever filter rows I'm planning to delete in under mQuery, I'm deleting deleted. But after deleting last field, you can able to see here right comma. I need to remove the comma also. After that, in this particular line were used for change type. This change type, I need to copy. I need to paste it. Now I can able to see green mark here. No syntax errors. You found right? No syntax errors. Click on done button. Let's see once again else it was came into the picture in another location. Because I am deleted whatever I am providing on filtered nulls, I am removed in under enquiry. Then what I am observed?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, please tell me.
Voice is not clear, sir.
Again, you are
From
facing same
past
issue.
2 minutes again. From past 2 minutes, it is like that only, sir.
Past 2 minutes. Now you can audible clearly.
Yes, sir.
What happening here at the time of screen sharing? You are facing this issue.
Yeah.
Before screen sharing, whatever I am speaking, everything you can audible clearly only.
Okay.
Like this issue I'm facing on first time. I'm thinking why I'm facing this issue. Okay. Okay, guys. Whatever I am provided to you through WhatsApp, okay, please install and keep it on your local machine. And through get data, try to fetch into your PowerBI application. Okay. Please practice keep. And if you need up to know any queries, please connect in through WhatsApp. Whenever I have time, I will provide you solution. Okay. I hope that installation part completed all or not.
Sir, completed.
Completed, sir.
I have a lot of planning for comparing with MySQL, same query I need to replicate in Power BI. Like that, I have a lot of plans. That's the reason I mentioned in groups also. MySQL, Notepad++, and Power BI. 3 softwares we need it for doing on more hands-on practice purpose. But we are facing on this audio issue. Okay, let's see how it will go on tomorrow. Okay, up to now you are good, right? For how to fetch the data,
Yes, sir.
how to enter into the Power Edit query.
Yes, sir.
After entering Power Edit query, how we can able to found different data types. After fetching on data types, you can able to handle it manually also for changing on type to type. Up to here we are good, right? As per up to advanced editor. Okay, please keep on practice up to here. Anyone have any query, just ping me through WhatsApp. I will respond to you guys. Okay. Thanks for your time for today. It's already closing time 8 p.m. Sorry.